All right, ready?
Hey everyone, and welcome to my recipe of the week video, where today I'm going to be showing you how to make my incredibly delicious detox Fudgsicle pops. Not only is this packed with phytonutrients and antioxidants, but it also contains probiotics too. And with the decadent fudge flavor, it makes for a perfect sugar-free snack, especially if you're like me and is someone who has a nighttime sweet tooth. So let's talk about the detox element to this recipe. What I have here is Green Detox. Now this formula is incredible because it contains over a dozen superfoods that are proven to help flush toxins that we accumulate through certain foods and stressors from our body, enabling all of our body systems to work much more efficiently. That means a faster metabolism, more energy, better hair and skin, improved mood, and really overall vitality. Now if you don't have Green Detox, I've included a link in this video so you can get started detoxing your body today. Just go to getGreenDetox.com right now to get your detox fix. All right, so we've got raw cocoa powder, liquid stevia to sweeten it up, and just some plain non-fat Greek yogurt. And if you're a vegan, feel free to use coconut yogurt or almond yogurt in its place. Using yogurt in this recipe will add probiotics to the mix, which will help improve gut health, reduce digestive discomfort like bloating and distension. So really, probiotics are pretty important. So let's get into how you can whip this simple detox recipe up at home. First, grab a large mixing bowl and add about 1.5 to 2 cups of yogurt in. I've got that portioned out right here. You may need less or more just depending on how many Fudgsicles that you're making. The mold that I have holds about 6 of them. So we're just gonna throw that right in the bowl. And to that, we are just gonna add 3 tablespoons of raw cocoa powder. And then we are gonna add our liquid stevia. So we're gonna add just a generous squirt of this guy. I like mine extra sweet. And then we are gonna add 3 scoops of our Green Detox powder. 2 and 3. This stuff is so good. And we're just gonna mix it up. And once it's thoroughly combined, you can spoon out the mixture evenly amongst the molds, or you can use my handy dandy little trick. You might be thinking this contraption is a little strange. I simply take the mixture and put it right into this plastic bag. Just like so. And I like to put it in this little cup because I feel like it kind of holds it a little bit better for me since I don't have 3 hands. And then all we're gonna do is twist the top of it, take some scissors, and just clip the end of it off, like so. So now all we are gonna do is squeeze this evenly into each mold. It's pretty easy, and it's kind of fun to be able to do with your kids too. All right, so now we are all full here, and we are just gonna go ahead and pop the lids on. And again, we're just gonna pop these in for about 3 to 5 hours before enjoying. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this guy out. Look how good that looks. Oh my God, you have to try this.
Oh man, that was awesome.
Okay, now I encourage all of you, if you're looking for the tastiest greens powder supplement ever, you've got to get Green Detox. This is the perfect way to make up for any deficiencies in your diet, especially if you aren't getting enough fruits and vegetables in your day-to-day. Plus, its sugar-free, vegan-friendly formula is perfect for helping you stay trim. So if you're ready to try these Green Detox Fudgsicles for yourself, just go to getGreenDetox.com now. I'll see you there.